Do you want to invest in big apartment buildings, startups, private equity funds, but you keep hearing that you must be accredited? In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what does accredited mean, what paperwork you need, and how you can get verified for free by the end of this video. But before we get into it, remember 90% of you guys that are watching are not subscribed. So please like and subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this every couple of days. In this video, we're going to go over what accredited investor really means, what documents do you need, why the SEC even cares about this, how to get verified completely free, what happens next, and then we'll wrap up the video. So first, let's get started with what does an accredited investor really mean. So the SEC uses this label to determine who can invest in certain private offerings. This is Rule 506C, Reg D, etc. You qualify if any one of these is true. So if your income is over 200 grand a year and you are single, or $300,000 a year and you are married in each of the last 2 years and expectation to do it again, then you are approved. Just with one of those. If any one of these are true, you are an accredited investor. Net worth over $1 million, excluding your primary residence. Or if you are a professional, you have a Series 7, Series 65, 82 license, or knowledgeable employee at a private fund. Most of the people that we work with that are accredited just hit this singular one, or one of these two. You don't have to have real estate experience, investing experience, any kind of experience. So long as you make $200,000 to $300,000 a year and you are single or married, you are automatically an accredited investor. Now you just need to go through the process to actually get the piece of paper saying that you are accredited and you can invest in certain types of offerings and funds. What documents do you need to show to prove the income or net worth of professional? So for income, last 2 years of W-2s or 1099s plus current year to date pay stub, that works. Brokerage accounts and bank statements, real estate HUDs, minus mortgage payoff, letter on residence for the net worth. And then professional, you just need your FINRA printout or employment letter. Okay. You can also get a self-certification or a third-party letter from your CPA, attorney, or registered broker. If you want the template for that, just email me at redbrickequity.com. Shoot me an email. I'll shoot that over to you. Just let me know that you want the third-party CPA letter. This is if you don't want to upload all this kind of documentation and you just want somebody else that already has access to your financials to just write a letter. You can do that too, completely free. But if you want the template for it, completely free, just shoot me an email and I'll shoot that over to you. Now, this was my big question. Why the hell does the SEC care? Like, really, somebody making 80 grand a year versus 200 or 300 grand a year is now like sufficient to invest in? And that's what they think. So investor protection, private deals have less disclosure. The SEC wants financial sophistication from these people. So that if they lose their 25K, lose their 50K, it's not going to, put them in a bad situation. They're still going to be okay, and they're going to be still financially sound. System integrity, it keeps fraud complaints low and private markets open. And then policy reality, they assume higher earners can absorb losses without life-changing damage. Exactly. So how can you get verified for free? Most sites will charge $50 to $150 for an accreditation letter, or you can get this from your CPA for free, but you need the template, and sometimes you have to pay for the template. So if you want to skip all that, go to our website, redbrickequity.com. Click the button that says Invest with Us. Create a free investor profile. Click Verify Accreditation. Upload your docs to there, connecting it to Plaid. We don't see any of that documentation. It goes to a third party that we already pay for. And then our SEC registered verification firm issues a complimentary letter good for 90 days. Go do that. You can do that. It takes a couple of minutes for you to make the account, upload your docs. You should have those in your Google Drive. Go upload the last couple of years of your tax returns to upload those and get the letter. And then you can use that letter to invest wherever you want. And it's good for the next typically 90 days, but sometimes 6 months or 12 months, depending on the fund. Once you get the accreditation letter, you can review our upcoming multifamily offerings. You can legally invest in 506C syndications and private credit funds and even hedge funds, which is awesome. And you get to diversify away from the stock market and other public markets earlier and on better terms. So once you do go through that process and you are accredited, if you want to invest with us, you can click the link top of the description to book a call. Once you get into the portal, we'll shoot you a text and email if you do want to book a call with us. We would love to show you what we have and what we have available. Thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.